I'm Ashrafi. Many of you all know me as an influencer, but a very few of you all know that I'm a professional autocross racer. I have won 30 plus podiums till date and also won the titles of fastest Goan lady racer, legendary lady driver Karnataka, and recently won the Indian National Autocross Championship on the third podium. We'll be soon representing India in future. Just like mine, there are many other such untold stories of Goa and Goans that we will be discovering through this show. Tag along.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were